Hello guys, welcome back to a Pentesting Club. Today we're going to solve another tutorial name called a bad DNS. So, what is this a bad DNS? So, it will check the subdomains for a subdomain takeover and other DNS tomfoolery. So, bad DNS is a standalone tool that module to detect a domain or a subdomain takeover of all kind of including other DNS issues like Infosec works on subdomain takeover. So, how we would like to install this bad DNS? So, we can install in one command without utilizing this all. So, let's come back here. Now, we would like to try to install here as pip install as bad DNS. Okay, no problem. So, just type here as source. Now, it will try to install the bad DNS. Now, we have successfully installed the bad DNS. We just try here as minus help. Now, we would like to look here a custom name servers and C is a custom signature, then list of modules. We would like to look here first. C name, MX records, TXT records, join transfer, name servers, enumerate a subdomains with a NSEC working. That's it here. Now we would like to also debug everything here. Not quite good here. Let's just close this. Now, how we would like to try here is now first of all we would like to type here as a subfinder minus help. We would like to utilize here as subfinder minus d. I would like to utilize here as airbnb.com output as a airbnb.txt. That's it. Now it will take a little bit lengthy time process to get all the subdomains in our format. Now just type here as clear. You just type here as word count plus airbnb.txt. I have here a list of almost all 169 lines of a subdomains. Now let's just utilize here as a mospat airbnb.txt. Now I just copy either one or one. Let's just close this. Now let me just type here as clear. Now I would like to look here utilizing as a bad DNS. Then let's just paste your a subdomain for a simple checking of the domain. Now it will check all these things like CNAME module with the targeted IP address. No CNAME is found. Starting with the MX model of target, starting with the TXT models, starting with the zone transfers where we have identified, starting the name servers, CSPI next with Airbnb, and where you have got everything this one. Now you would like to utilize as a bad DNS with airbnb.com. Now you would like to get all the information similar like this here. You'd like to look here. So it can expose only the subdomains, the main version, but when you go for a domain, it will take more and lengthy time process to exploit it also. You can also find NSEC with Airbnb. Now we would like to look here. SPF with Airbnb. In TXT records, we have identified where you can also get a fake domain and try to uh, change the TXT records and everything, try to spoof the email addresses also for their communications. And even you can change the message of the content also. Now, you want to check only, let's come back here. I would like to check only with the, it's not coming. Okay, showing this here. Wait, activate. Okay, so it's work under virtual environment only. So, you want to check a list of modules. Like you want to check only specifically like CNAME, MX records, or TXT records, or zone transpose or anything. Now, for this, let you can consider. Let's go to here as we can put here minus M. You want to get uh, like CNAME. Now, let's open YouTube tab. Mousepad Airbnb.txt. Now, I would like to take uh, this one as a admin with the Airbnb.com. Let me just close this. Come back. Now, I want to get only the CNAME of the Airbnb. Now, you can get a found a CNAME where you can look here admin airbnb.com with admin tools. You have got only the CNAME. That's it. Now, you want to present only with the CNAME and name server. So, you can get only the CNAME and name servers. So it will take a little bit lengthy time process to present here. CNAME and names. Look here, starting name server models with the target of admin.airbnb. Detect a CNAMEs will be target at the end of CNAME chain with IAP. Generate C01 global production US East 4. I think they can using like AWS Amazon. Detect CNAME. So, but it not yet detected the name servers. Now, you can try as even with the, I have tried with the name servers. Uh, I would like to try with the enumerate a subdomains with NSC walk. If you utilize a NSC walk, you just need to enter only the targeted domain. That's it. It will try to no module with the targeted. Okay. Uh, admin.airbnb. Let's we would like to look here. So it will not allow you to get the subdomains. Either if you try with HTTPS, may you can get, may not be get. That's it. Now you want to try MX records for mail, TXT records for hijackable for the domains. Let's we would like to try the TXT records. Let's just type here as clear. If you get a TXT records, uh, you can almost all hijack the subdomain and you can write what else your own content. everything. So, starting a txt records is the same. That's it. Exactly. That's it. So, you can try it your own, guys. Thank you guys for watching and keep smiling.